close and special to the President?
For me, Mr. Chair, I don't feel close and special.
Okay, now. Napakarami pong nangyari during the time. And we are now collating all those incidents related to death nung time na yon as CIDG Region 7 at the same time Chief of Police of Cebu. Now, Chief of the CIDG ka the time.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yung rank mo is Light Colonel.
Yes, Your Honor.
During the time, Regional Director can be a Light Colonel ng CIDG?
It can be, Your Honor.
It can be.
Yes, Your
Except
Honor.
for, sabi ko nga, highly urbanized city. Diba? Just like Cebu City. Dapat full Colonel.
Yes, Your
Tama.
Honor.
Now, anyway, let me proceed with, bago pumunta doon, balikan mo mamaya, your travel records. I have with me your travel records.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. I have with me since from 2024 to 2012. Okay? Ma'am Garma, you're most traveled, though you're not anymore in public office.
Yes, Your Honor.
Tama. Who shouldered your travel?
Some were sponsored by my cousins when I traveled.
Cousins? Who are your
Five
cousins?
states. I was invited for.
Who are your cousins? Who are your cousins?
Anne-Marie Batay. They are
From
all
where?
United States.
Okay, US.
Yes, Your Honor.
Then, siya lang? Nagsisponsor sa'yo?
Hindi pa po. Meron pa Hazel Idnay.
Comsec, please take note of all the names that being mentioned by Ms. Garma. Yes, please proceed. Who else?
Yun lang po ang nagtumulong
So,
po.
dalawa lang
Yes, because I was invited to an occasion.
in the US. But how about your travel in Asia? Who sponsored it?
I paid for it.
You paid for
Your
it?
Honor, yes.
Tingnan mo, mama. Your travel for just 2024, you traveled 6 times abroad. Just in 2024. Tapos, yung travel mo 2023 is 13 times. You travel 13 times abroad.
2020.
13 times. This is a record coming from the Bureau of Immigration, Madam. You cannot deny this. Iba't ibang lugar, may Kuala Lumpur, may ano. In the next hearing, tatanungin pa kita po para at least papaunanan kita. Pero sa ngayon, ang tanong ko lang po, who sponsored you? How can you afford to travel 13 times in just 1 year? You're not anymore an official of the government. This is an official travel. Oh, where did you get? Where did you get? Ma'am? Oh, you want to have an executive session?
No, Your Honor.
No? Also, answer me. Always I set in contempt.
I paid for it, Your Honor.
Yeah, you paid for it. How much is your ano? How much is your? Can you provide us? Are you willing to have a waiver for your bank accounts?
No, Your Honor.
No. Why? Because you're not telling the truth. You are hiding something. Ito, initial pa lang, mama. Oh. You travel 13 times? Ibig sabihin nun, more than every month you travel outside in the country. Now, last question ko, ma'am. What is, eto mama, diretso kita, what is your latest travel abroad? When was that? When was that?
Japan, Your Honor.
Japan? Hindi, your purpose of your travel.
USA, Your Honor.
Oh, USA. Now, ano lang, what happened with the travel?
Okay, I have to travel to USA to
Why?
to bring my daughter in the US
Why?
because of this exposure.
When was that? When was that?
28 last.
When was that?
September, August, Mr. Chair.
Ang daming August, 30 days yung August.
28.
Hindi, ganito lang po, ma'am.
28.
Diretso kita. Oh,
28.
your plan to travel in the US was August 28. That was the time that the Squadcom was already started, di ba? The investigation.
Yes, Your Honor.
And your name was already crop up.
Yes,
Tama?
Your Honor.
Oh. Now, in short, you're using that alibi to bring your daughter to the US to evade this investigation.
No, Your Honor.
No, okay. Anong nangyari? Ba't hindi ka naka-US? Ba't nandito ka ngayon?
My visa, US visa was canceled.
Why?
Hindi po sinabi sa akin ang reason why.
Hindi sinabi? You never asked?
I asked, but Japan in charge on the desk did not tell me the reason.
No. Kasi papasok ka sa US, di ba? Kasi kung hindi ka tinanggap ng Japan, that is the responsibility of Japan. But you were not allowed, di ba, to go to US because what?
It was not explained to me by the in charge sa Japan po. Kasi nung mag-check-in po kami,
Check-in for going to?
Kukuha po ng ticket, Japan to
I know.
US.
You don't have a ticket yet.
Yes, Your Honor.
Kaya nga eh. Kaya you want to travel to the US, but you don't have a ticket?
Oh,
No. Di ba, inamin mo na eh.
No, Your Honor. Ang ticket namin is all connecting. Nung magbo-board po ako, para mag-check-in kami for the seat, I wasn't able to get a seat kasi nag-error na yung system. So we sought the
Balikan ko muna.
Yes po.
So yung travel mo is from the Philippines connecting Japan to US.
Yes, Your Honor.
You have a ticket, Philippines, Japan, US.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you sure of that?
Ang binigay po ng...
Sadali. Tatanong kita. Simple na to, ma'am. Do not evade my question.
Okay, yes, Your Honor.
Your ticket is, as you have said, your ticket is Philippines, Japan, US.
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, but you were not allowed. Yun na, may ticket ka. Sigurado ka, Philippines, Japan, US.
Ang ticket po namin is Philippine-Japan.
Kaya nga,
Your Honor.
Wag mo nga akong lituhin, ma'am. Ang tinatanong ko, malapit ka na, ma'am. Ang tinatanong ko kanina, yung ticket mo is only Philippine-Japan. Sabi mo hindi. Philippine-Japan, US. You get a ticket in Japan for US.
Boarding pass po yung kukunin na namin sa Japan.
Ay,
Hindi po ako nakakuha,
Your
Honor.
Do you have a copy of that?
Wala na po, Your Honor.
O, BID, DFA. Anong airlines? O, hindi mo na naman masagot. Simpleng-simple yan. It happens last 2 weeks ago. Sige nga. Kasi you're lying, ma'am.
No, Mr. Chair.
You are lying.
Okay.
Now, question, your ticket. Anong airplane? Oh, you cannot answer? Simple. Something happens in Japan. Now, Mr. Chairman, hindi rin ito makalusot eh. Kasi pag tinawag ko yung DFA, alam ng DFA.
Japan, I think it's Japan airline. That's why we landed.
Why I think na naman? Kanina maybe, now I think.
It is Japan airline, Mr. Chair.
From the Philippines.
I'm very sure of it na. I can recall it, Japan airline.
From the Philippines.
To Japan.
To Japan. Then, what airlines supposedly to the US?
It's the same. It's Japan airline.
Japan Airlines. Oh, kaya nga. Dalawa na. Twice na. Last ko na mamaya na tanong. Anyway, Mr. Chairman, I move that dahil walang kopya daw, wala nang records, walang documents from Ms. Garma. Mr. Chairman, can we ask for the documents, travel documents, with regard to the plane that was booked by Ms. Garma from the Philippines, Japan, and to the US?
We will ask the records from the DFA.
Yeah, from the DFA po.
Okay.
Tsaka BID na. Tsaka Japan Airlines.
Okay, COMSEC, kindly coordinate with the Bureau of Immigration and our DFA as to the travel records of Colonel Regina Garma.
Wala Wala bang DFA dito? And also, Mr. Chairman, can we ask the DFA the reason why Miss Garma was not permitted to travel to have an entry from Japan to the US?
Comsec, you are so directed.
Para opisyal lang po. Kasi alam din na ni Miss Garma bakit hindi siya pinayagan. Oo, malalaman din natin,
My
ma'am.
mother's grave, hindi ko po alam,
Pero
Mr.
alam mo,
Chair.
deep inside, you know why you were not allowed entry to the US.
I cannot just say what's deep inside, Mr. Chair, because I'm not sure.
Yeah, that's your alibi, that's your defense.
Yes,
That's your defense, ma'am. Okay.
Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair,
Congressman Acop, with the indulgence of Congressman Paduano.
before we leave that issue in Japan, may I be permitted to ask some questions?
With the indulgence of Congressman Paduano.
Yes, Mr. Chairman. It's
Please
a pleasure
proceed,
to this
Congressman Acop.
representation.
Madam Garma, nung bumili ka ng ticket,
yes.
saan bang intention mo na pupuntahan talaga?
Mr. Chair, I didn't get the question.
Ano ang intention mo talaga nung bumili ka ng ticket? Japan or US?
US,
Okay.
US, Mr. Chair.
Eh bakit hindi ka kumuha ng buong ticket, diretsong papuntang US? Why do you have to procure a ticket doon sa Japan?
No, Mr.
For
Chair,
the
I
US.
did not procure a ticket sa Japan. I procured the ticket
So
already.
stopover mo lang
Stopover lang po ang Japan.
ang Japan. And
yes,
you were not allowed to board papuntang US.
kasi po
Ganun ba yun na nangyari?
Yes, Mr. Chair. Hindi ako makakuha ng boarding, ano po.
Boarding pass.
Yes,
So,
Mr.
kasi
Chair.
yun naman ang kailangan mo eh.
Yes.
Di ba?
Yes, Mr.
Kasi
Chair.
may schedule na flight papuntang US. Nakasakay ka ron. Stopover sa Japan.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
How many hours?
10 hours, Mr. Chair.
10 hours.
Yes po.
So nung magbo-board ka ng Japan Airlines for the US, hindi ka na pinapasok.
Yes, Mr.
Ganon
Chair.
na nangyari.
Opo, Mr. Chair.
That is the reason why, according to records, 29 August, nakabalik ka na dito sa Pilipinas.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chairman, can I interject?
With the indulgence of Congressman Paduano, the
Yes,
senior
yes, Mr.
deputy
Chairman.
speaker is recognized.
Tanong ko lang to kay Ma'am Garma. Ma'am, di ba pag pumupunta tayo ng US, from the Philippines, i-check na yung US visa mo dito sa Pilipinas. Pag board mo lang sa airport, bibigyan ka ng boarding pass, bibigay na yung dalawang boarding pass mo. Boarding pass from the Philippines to Japan, Japan to Philippines.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Tama po ba?
Yes po.
So, yun po yung tanong. Bakit binigyan kayo ng boarding pass na hindi
Ay.
na-check yung US visa? Hindi po kayo bibigyan ng boarding pass kung hindi po i-check yung US visa.
Yes, Mr.
Normal po, routine po yun pag nagpupunta
Opo.
tayo Amerika.
Yeah,
Tama po ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair. Very unusual yun, nung araw pong yun, Mr. Chair.
So, yun po siguro ang tanong ni Chairman Acop. Di ba? Salamat po, Mr. Chairman.
Congressman Paduano, please proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Anyway, Mr. Chairman, hearing the answers of Colonel Garma, Ms. Garma kanina, with regards to question of deployment, na napaka-juicy yung mga posisyon from DIA, from tsaka puro lahat Davao, ang assignment except sa Cebu. Tapos nag-schooling, tapos early retirement. Again, can you state when was your the date or the year that you retired?
That's June of 2019, Your Honor.
June of 2019. When did you assume as PCSO chairman?
July 15 of 2019,
Oh,
Your Honor.
1 month lang. Di ba? Tama? 1 month?
15 days, I think, Your Honor.
Oh, 15 days pa. Sobra. Now, during the interpellation, Mr. Chairman, ng mga members kanina, Ma'am Garma, Ms. Garma, keep on denying that he's close to the former president. Di ba? Kasi sabi mo lang lagi, maybe. Binigyan ka ng posisyon. Tingnan mo. You check the record. 10 years pa yung supposedly before you retire, 10 years ka pa, but you opt to early retirement. Tapos, wala pang 1 month, sabi mo nga, 15 days, bigla ka nag-PCSO. Tapos, itong tinanong ka kanya, sabi mo, are you close to the president, former president? Ang sagot mo, because of those promotions, sabi mo, is maybe, not maybe. Now, I will ask you, are you special and close to the president, former president? Yes or no lang po? Walang personal. Yes or no lang po? Kasi lahat-lahat eh.
Ay, ewan ko kung special ako.
Oh, why can't you answer? Simple lang tanong ko. Are you close to the former president? Because that's why you've been given a juicy position where in fact, 1 month, wala pa nga, 15 days ka lang nag-retire, nag-PCSO, chairman ka na kagad. Sige nga. Yes or no? Why can't you answer? Oh, Mr. Chairman, since
Because, Mr. Chair,
Oh, why? What?
I do not...
I do not na naman.
No, Mr. Chair.
Oh, sige nga.
Because you said, am I close or special to the president?
Yeah, you're close to the president. Or special. Kasi, tanungin mo yung lahat mga classmates mo. Ako, mama, mga classmates mo, ikaw ang tumulong for their promotion during the time of President Duterte. That's why I'm asking the DIDM to submit to this committee all the years of promotion of all your classmates. Now, ang question ko ngayon, diretso na. I hope you will answer truthfully. Are you close to the president?
Mr. Chair, I'm not close. I was fired.
Okay. Okay.
Nag-floating pa
So,
nga po ako during his
Huwag
time.
mo, anong floating during his time?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
15 days lang na nag-retire ka, nag-PCSO chairman ka, for all those qualified, sandali, for all those qualified applicants.
Okay.
Ang dami po na qualified. Why you? Why you? And though, the fact is, Mayor Osmeña is keep on insisting, kaya nag-OIC ka lang kasi he never choose you in the list. Tama? O na ang question ko ulit. Last na lang to, ma'am. Are you close and special to the president?
For me, Mr. Chair, I don't feel close and special.
Okay, now,
Mr.
you're lying.
Chair. Because
You're lying,
can
ma'am.
I explain, Mr. Chair?
Of course, explain.
You know, there was once in my career na siyang mayor, nag-floating po ako 6 months, I don't have any position.
Ma'am, when was that?
That was in 11,
No, that
Mr.
was
Chair.
way back. Way back,
Nag-floating
ma'am.
po ako.
But before he became president of this republic, you're very close to the president. Before your assignment in Cebu, you're very close to the president. Before you retire, you're very close to the former president. And now you're talking to this committee. You're telling us that you're not close to the president? That's only a simple question. Now you deny. You said no. You said no. Oh, Mr. Chairman,
Can I, Mr. Chair?
kanina pa kita pinapa-explain. Pabalik-balik lang tayo.
Yes.
Okay, given you were floated.
Kasi,
2011.
yes, Mr.
Oh, but after that,
Ah.
lahat na position mo, juicy.
Can
You can never stay. Palipat-lipat ka doon sa Davao and you will not be deployed as CIDG in Region 7. You cannot be deployed even the opposition of the mayor that time, Mayor Osmeña, if you're not close to the president. You're telling me that it's the Chief PNP? Now, kung Chief PNP, bakit nung nag-retire ka? 15 days after, PCSO chairman ka. If you're not chosen, if you're not close, if you're not special to the president. Oh. Oh, why you're not answering?
Perhaps, Mr. Chair, I am special.
Perhaps ka na naman. Anyway, Mr. Chairman, ito, ano lang to, Mr. Chairman, for the record, but I moved to cite in contempt because the resource person is evading to answer questions being asked by almost all members. Paulit-ulit lang yung perhaps mo. Maybe. Ngayon, perhaps na naman. Move to cite you in contempt, Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chair,
Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, Mr. Chair Leonardo, what is the success? Is it the war on drugs or the thousands of people killed on the war on drugs? Colonel Leonardo.
I'm basing on the, Mr. Chair, I'm basing my opinion in general based on the result, Mr. Chair, of what happened. Result of we are from 2016 onwards. I honestly think, Mr. Chair, that there was a little bit change of the situation. It alleviates somehow the affectation on war on drugs. That's what I honestly think.
But
Mr.
let me ask you, Colonel Leonardo, do you believe that on that war on drugs and the many killings that happened, that there were human rights violations?
Based on what I heard and saw on TV, Mr. Chair, there was there were, I think, some violations.
So you believe that there were human rights violations during the war on drugs?
Based on what I saw on TV, Mr. Chair, there was.
Mr. Chair, I'd like to ask GM Garma if she is now able to answer some questions.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Seeing that now she is actually emotionally disturbed, are you able now to answer some
Yes,
questions?
Mr. Chair.
Kanina nabanggit mo na kinancel yung visa mo, US visa mo. Kinancel ba?
That was the statement of the attendant in Japan, Mr. Chair.
Tama po yung sinabi ni Senior Deputy Speaker kanina, no? Doon pa lang sa immigration, ipapakita mo na yung visa mo sa US eh. Bakit sa Japan kinancel? Yun ang isang tanong gusto kong itanong sa'yo. Sinabi mo kanina na cancel yung visa mo. The US embassy do not cancel visa just like that. Meron akong visa sa US eh. Okay? Now, nung ikaw umalis sa immigration, ano yung ipinakita mong visa?
Yung US visa ko po, Mr. Chair.
Kung US visa ang pinakita mo, okay pa yung US visa, di pinagyan ka ng go signal na immigration para umalis, di ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Pagdating mo ng Japan, hindi ka nakapunta ng US, am I right?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Ano, bakit hindi ka nakapunta ng US?
Hindi na nga ako
Hindi pwedeng ang sagot mo, kinancel ang visa sa Japan? Kaya nga kinontempt ka eh. Sapagkat hindi tama ang sagot mo na kinancel ang visa mo. Hindi nagka-cancel ng visa ang US.
The term is, it's invalid. The term is, your visa is not valid. Now it's canceled. Yan yung sinabi
Therefore,
ko.
you're telling us that the Bureau of Immigration is wrong in giving you a signal to go to Japan and conclude your travel to the US? Are you telling me now that the Bureau of Immigration allowed you to travel to Japan, going to the US, knowing that you have a US visa, and they stamped it, and you are able to travel to Japan? When you went to Japan, it was canceled. As you said, it was canceled, and you were not allowed to go to the US. I don't think that the Bureau of Immigration will ever do that, Mr. Chair.
Can I explain?
Yes, go
Mr.
ahead.
Chair?
Go ahead.
Yes. Mr. Chair, when I bought the ticket, you cannot buy a ticket without presenting a valid US visa, Mr. Chair.
Where did you buy the ticket?
I asked my cousin to buy a ticket kasi may travel
Where?
agent
Where did
siya
you buy the
kakilala.
ticket?
It is online, Mr. Chair. Japan.
Then you must also show that ticket to the Bureau of Immigration. Am I right?
Yes, Mr. Chair. Upon buying a ticket, you cannot buy a ticket without presenting to the agent a valid US visa and passport, Mr. Chair. So in short, we were able to buy a ticket and by presenting a valid visa and a valid passport.
So you presented the ticket and the valid visa in our Bureau of Immigration. Am I right, Mr. Chair?
I did not show the ticket, Mr. Chair.
You
What I
did not show
presented-
the ticket to the
boarding-
immigration officer?
The ticket is what I presented when I checked in sa JAL, sa Japan Airline. And Japan Airline issued a boarding pass po. So yun po yung ginamit kong lumabas. Now, since stopover po ang Japan, we transferred from another airport to Narita Airport. And from there,
You did not
mag-check-in
stay in
online.
Japan. Did you stay in Japan?
No, Your Honor. Mr. Chair,
It was
I did
just a
not.
stopover.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
And afterwards, you proceeded to the States, but you were not allowed to go to the States.
Because there is a connecting flight already, Mr. Chair. So when I was at Narita Airport, I was supposed to check in online to get a boarding pass. So hindi po ako maka-check in online to get a boarding pass kasi may machine. So I approached the counter po mismo ng JAL. So nung inapproach po yung counter ng JAL, ang sabi po sa akin, we cannot get you a ticket because your visa, your US visa is invalid already. It's canceled. So I asked the desk why it is invalid. It's going to expire in 2028, ang sabi ko. Ang sabi po sa akin, there is no explanation. And then I asked her, did you ask US Department? Ang sabi niya, yes. So, did they explain to you why? Ang sabi po sa akin, no. So I stopped
Mr.
asking
Chair,
question
sandali
na
lang po. Sandali lang
Mr.
po.
Chair.
Bago nyo ituloy, no? Napakahirap kasing paniwalaan eh. That you will will travel to the US, you go to the immigration, and the immigration will tell you that the US visa is valid and they stamped an approval to it. Ibig sabihin, doon pa lang sa Pilipinas, nakakuha ka na ng ticket going to the US. Ibig mo sabihin, nakakuha ka lang ng ticket going to Japan, and then in Japan, you have to get a boarding pass.
No,
But Mr. Chair, sa aking pagta-travel, I have been traveling eh. I have been traveling so many times. Oo ha. And whenever I will go to the US, stop over in Japan, dalawang boarding pass palaging tinatanggap ko sa Pilipinas pa lang. Oo. From Manila to Narita, Narita to the US. Dalawa kagad na boarding pass sa Pilipinas yan. You're telling me now that you just received one boarding pass from the Philippines and then you have to get another boarding pass from Narita? Is that what you're saying?
yes, Mr. Chair.
And when you got the boarding pass, then the Japan people told you that your US visa is invalid?
Yes, not valid is the term, no longer valid. Yun po yung term.
So let me ask you,
Nagtaka din po ako.
why is it that the immigration stamp your passport saying that your visa is valid? Why?
I do not know, Your Honor. I presented my valid passport. I presented my valid visa. I bought a ticket to the US. And it's a connecting flight sa Narita, supposedly.
You know, Mr. Chair, may kasabihan dito, ano mo sabi ni Marcel Aimee, and I quote, no? Some people are so false that they no longer distinguish that what they think is the exact opposite of what they say. Naniniwala ba kayo ron?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So, you know, what you're answering us now, mahirap paniwalaan po
Sir.
Why? Because we have Major Fortaleza, who is your classmate. At sinabi niya na kanyang pinapatunayan ang sinabi niya. And he will not budge. Major Fortaleza, yung bang iyong sinalaysay dito, yung pa talaga ang nangyari? Totoo ba yon?
Yes, Your Honor.
Therefore, naging sinungaling si Colonel Garma. Major Fortaleza.
Yung sinabi ko po, Your Honor, yun po yung
Tagutin
totoo.
mo ko, yes or no, nag-isinungaling si Colonel Garma.
Yes, sir.
Oh. Anong masasabi mo dyan, Colonel Garma? Classmate po sa PNP ito. Tinutulungan mo pa. And he is saying now that you are telling a lie to this committee sapagkat pinapanindigan niya ang kanyang sinabi na kinausap mo siya tungkol sa pagpatay sa 3 Chinese. So tell us what you can say about that. Now, please, kung talagang nag-usap kayo ni former Major Fortaleza tungkol dyan, na classmate mo, ibig sabihin, kung alam ko yung PNP at PMA, classmate, mista mo yan eh. Ibig sabihin, close ka kay Major Fortaleza. You're telling me now that Major Fortaleza is lying, and that you're telling the truth, and that Major Fortaleza right now is telling a lie. Now you tell us now, Colonel Garma.
Yes, Your Honor.
He's telling a lie.
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, pero nakausap kayo, di ba?
Hindi kami nagkausap sa phone, Your Honor.
Hindi kayo nakita kahit minsan?
When we visited him, that's once, Your Honor.
You visited him just once. Bago naging Pangulo ang former President, yun ba? O Pangulo na siya ng Pilipinas? When you visited Major Fortaleza in jail, was the former President already President during that time or not?
That was July, Your Honor.
July of what? 2016.
Yes, Your Honor.
Therefore, the former president is already president. Am I right?
Yes, Your Honor.
And what were your position?
Mr.
What
Chair.
was your position at that time?
None, Your Honor.
Ha?
Wala po akong position, Your Honor.
Anong ibig sabihin ng wala kang posisyon? Police ka, di ba? You're a police officer.
Yes, Your Honor.
What was your position during that time when you visited your MISTA,
None,
former
Your-
Major
I have no
Fortaleza?
position, Your Honor.
What do you mean you have no position?
I was undergoing schooling, so we don't have any position, Your Honor. I was undergoing a 1-year schooling.
You were in school.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So, hindi ka pa talaga nakaposisyon bilang station commander or whatever. You were schooling actually.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Ngayon, Pangulo na ang former president when you visited former Major Fortaleza.
Yes, Your-
One time lang yan, di ba?
Opo, Your
Now,
Honor.
you're telling us here kanina that you never called him even once. Am I right?
Hindi ko po siya nakausap sa phone. Yes,
Okay.
Your
How
Honor.
can you really visit him without even calling him even once? How?
Mr. Chair, yung pagdalaw namin is just parang it's even unplanned kasi wala kaming klase that day, and then napag-usapan na nandyan si Jimmy Fortaleza sa Dapicol, and then sabi namin pag-usapan namin na dalawin at random. Supposed to be 5 kami Hindi natuloy po yung 2, kaya 3 na lang po kami tumuloy.
Anong sinabi ni Jimmy Fortaleza sa kanyang sinumpiang salaysay? Number 4, noong bumisita si Colonel Garma, tinanong niya ako kung nasaan nakakulong ang mga Chinese. Kanina, nabanggit mo na wala kang kinalaman, hindi mo alam na may mga Chinese drug lords doon. Ito bang sinabi na sa salaysay ni former Major Fortaleza? Mali rin ito. Kasinungalingan din po ito.
Yes, Your Honor.
Kasinungalingan to.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Ngayon, noong unang linggo ng Agosto 2016, tinawagan ulit ako ni Garma dahil gusto raw niya makausap si Superintendent Gerardo Padilla. Kasinungalingan din to.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Ngayon, noong August 8, 2016, tumawag ulit si Garma sa akin para sabihin na nag-usap at nakita daw sila ni Padilla. So, ibig sabihin, kasinungalingan din ito na nagkausap kayo at nakita kayo ni Padilla?
Yes, Your Honor.
Kasi nungalingan din yan.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Pangatlo na yan, ha? At sinabi sa akin na, Bok, ako na ang bahala. May mga tao kami dyan sa loob. Kasi nungalingan din yan.
Yes, Your Honor.
Now look, yung salaysay ni former Major Fortaleza at yung salaysay po ni Colonel Padilla ay nagkakatugma. Ibig sabihin, itong dalawang salaysay ng dalawang taong ito ay nagkakatugma. Ibig sabihin, itong dalawang ito, laban sa isa, ay naging sinungaling sila.
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, ang magaling. Ibig sabihin na katulad ng sinabi ko the last time na ako ay nagtatanong dito, kahit ang Biblia nagsabi, when there are 2 or 3 accusations, witnesses, the accusations are established. Kahit po sa ating batas ganun. Alright. Ito po, nagtetestify laban sa inyo. Laban sa inyo. And you're telling us, nagisinungaling itong dalawang ito, laban sa kanilang sinabi, itong si Padilla, GM Garma, ay active pa at this time. Ito pong si Major Fortaleza, may kaso na. Ibig sabihin, Colonel Garma, ikaw ay nakalabas. Malaya ka. Itong si Major Fortaleza, nakakulong ito. Mas magsasabi ba ng totoo ang nakakulong sa nakalaya? Tell me. August 11, tumawag uli si Garma. At tinanong ako kung pwede ko ba daw padalhan ng pagkain yung mga nahulihan ng droga sa maximum compound. Binanggit ni former Major Fortaleza kanina na naghatid siya ng pagkain. Palagay mo kaya yung paghahatid niya ng pagkain na sinabi niya, nag-isinungaling pa ito? Colonel Garma, please lang. Oo, dalawa na ang nagsasabi. Dalawa na ang nagsasabi na nagkausap kayo at tumawag ka sa kanya, ikaw nag-iisa ka lamang. Ngayon, tatanungin ko pa yung dalawa diyang PDL. 4 na yan. 4 na laban sa isa. Colonel Garma, ibig sabihin itong 4 na ito, nagsisinungaling pa ito?
Yes, Your Honor.
Wow. Ngayon ito okay. Itong si Tata,